Indiana in the morning. Might be just as iffy if you was in Mississippi.
So that was basically, this is an intro for some Mickey Mouse shit. This is some Mickey Mouse shit right here. Just a shout out to ICT for some milk. He loves some Mickey Mouse shit. So, I just thought it would be, funny to start out with a little Mickey Mouse shit right there for everybody. So the big news, my friends, the big news right now is that ICT has accepted the $1 Million Challenge. That's right. I don't really know if he's going to do it for sure, but he did say it. He did post about it. God, these fucking random ass fucking prop firms. So he posted yesterday, says that he wants to challenge me to a trading tournament, which is really weird because he's like, he makes all these rules like 50% drawdown. You got to put $2 million in escrow. You got to commit to a full year. I get to pick the starting capital. And then he says he'll handicap himself with 25% trailing drawdown. So, I mean, I'm fine with it. It don't really matter to me. So I know he'll never follow through, but hey, at least he said it and I've answered. So all of his followers can see once again when I punk the little bitch. That's right, I'm gonna punk that little bitch. I'll punk him so hard. It'll be, you just gotta love it. It'll be such a good punk fest. Such a good punk fest. And then this morning, look at this guy right here. This guy said, no one who is better than ICT. I will bet my life for this. ICT is such a rare person with humanity who doesn't care when you come from all races are equal, kind, generous, not driven by greed, and many more. ICT is the best of the best. I'm like, where are you from? Oh yeah, you're from Kenya. Clearly, this guy is very, very educated, very smart. Clearly, he's a fucking Pulitzer Prize winner. Clearly the smartest of smartest. He said he would bet his life. He would bet his life that ICT would win. Well, that's going to be awkward. That's going to be awkward. That is going to be awkward. When ICT ends up licking my fart box. Oh, man. All right. You got what a move, man. Look at the fucking Nasdaq. How does this... God. Oh, look at this. It's such bullshit. What the fuck? What are we gonna, what is this? Like, just straight up. God. Market went straight up since 4 o'clock this morning. It's been green. All the way back up there to that pivot point on the hourly chart. So, oh man. It's going to be a fun one. I can tell you that. I can definitely tell you that. So, we'll see what happens. We're just getting started here. It's, what is today? Thursday. Wild Thursday. We got a big day ahead of us, actually. A pretty exciting day. So today is a big day because we're going, well, first off, let me do the video. All right, so today's gonna be a big day. Today is gonna be a big day. It's Thursday morning. We're live on YouTube right now, and we are going to be doing all kinds of crazy stuff today. We're gonna day trade live. We got the Legends tournament going on. I gotta win it. And then we're gonna go out and do some trophy trucks. We got the helicopter. We gotta go skydiving. A buddy of mine is gonna jump out of the helicopter, skydive down to the ground, and then jump in the trophy truck. And then after that, we're gonna go to the surf pool and go surfing. So we're gonna go trophy trucking, day trading, helicopter, surfing. It's gonna be a big day. Thursday, baby. We making it happen. Wild Thursdays. Let's get it going. We're live on YouTube. Woohoo! Say what's up, chat. Say what's up. Say what's up. Get in the vlog. Get in the vlog, chat. All right. Here we go. Oh. Don't fall for the pre-market BS. All right. We'll see. We'll see what happens. The pre-market BS. Sometimes the pre-market BS is good. So we'll see. A little update here. A little update. We got an update. Give me an update, Ginger. Can you read out the scoreboard right now of the Legends tournament? I need Ginger. She's my hype woman. Who's winning right now? Let me see. Okay, so we have this tournament going on right now with Legends, and it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, chat. I don't know. You never know. Dero might come back today. He might make a move today. You never know. Anything's possible. Anything is possible, but we'll see what happens. Getting ready for market open right now. So, zero resets, idiot. This is the tournament we're in right now. It's the Legends Cup, Patrick Wieland versus Dero Trades. You can see the rules. 2 contracts minimum, 2 contracts maximum, and all that. So, it started on Monday, and right now, we're winning, baby. Winning. So, let's go. This is not the music that I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit more hypey. A little bit more hypey. Some more hypiness. I need more happiness. There we go. All right. So, breaking it down one more time. Well, let's break it down for the first time today. We'll start out with the hourly chart here. You can clearly see we had all the FOMC debacle yesterday. Market pushed all the way up there to that 28,054 level. It was happy. The market was happy, right? The market was happy. And then, well, I guess Trump tweeted or something about Iran, and then the market fucking dumped straight down. So you had about a 600-point move, right? A 600-point move yesterday there on the Nasdaq, straight back down. So Dero in Australia is slang for homeless person. Damn, it's kind of awkward. Nomadic Warren said, so funny, someone on Twitter from Africa said, I'm your new asshole for defending you. I mean, hey, you know, if people want to sit here and tell me that this is normal behavior, right? That another man on the internet, that a man is willing to bet his life. You know, I will bet my life that ICT is good at trading. Like, if you're gonna tell me that's normal, educated person behavior, you know, well then, you know, I guess clearly I'm uneducated. Clearly, I have no idea what I'm doing in life. Right now, the Nasdaq pushed up there to that pivot point and currently kind of fighting some resistance there. It's been green all of London market, right? London market has been green. So we got to see, you know, what happened. We got to see what happens here at open. Obviously, it's just been a grind. Look at this thing, just absolutely a grind up here so far today. Oh, you know what's gonna happen? I got a feeling. I got a stupid feeling here, and I'm worried. I'm worried because it's probably gonna just go straight up at open, and then it's gonna dump, and then it's gonna chop, and then who the fuck knows? It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be wild either way. So, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. ICT is good at trading with a 4-hour delay. That's true. That is very true. That is very true. I gotta ask. I'm gonna ask my Filipino man. So, question: we have something big coming. All right, I want to talk about it really quickly while we wait for this. So clearly, we just been squeezing straight up here. I think at open we need to see what I would love. I mean, well. Ideally, what you would do at open is you look for some kind of pullback, and then another push. It's hard to get long right here, but honestly, sometimes the market just does stupid shit and it goes straight up for no reason. So we obviously have kind of this FOMC high area there, 28,080 area. Can we get back right? Can we go right back there? Right back to that maybe. But I like to be a little cautious on that. It is currently 9:14 in the morning. It is Thursday morning. We're doing it live. The big BDH, baby. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, it does help me, right? If you're watching right now, if you're a first-time viewer, don't be afraid to hit that like button. If you're a second-time viewer, tell your grandma to also hit the like button. Call her and say, "Hey, grandma, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to go on YouTube and I need you to like a video of the sexiest, smartest, most beautifulest man in the world." All right, so I can't tell you too much about this yet. I can't tell you too much about this, but back in 2025, the BDH changed the prop firm space forever. Now, the BLH, where traders can be part of something out of this world. We're changing the game forever. Welcome home. Coming soon to only prop firms. Big launch house. It's gonna be big. That's all I can say right now. That's all I can say. What do the comments say? Oh, never mind. Fuck. Another guy. A guy from Algeria. Who would have thought? Another fucking the sharpest tool in the shed. Now you are certain that you are only a marketer, whether for yourself or someone else. You will remain small in front of ICT. We shall see in the end. Yes. I think that all these ICT followers, they didn't follow him in 2023 when he already did this before. He already promised to beat me in the Robbins Cup and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's already been done, guys. He's already done it, so. Oh, man. There we go. The reason why you hate PW is because you get elevated. The rest stay the same. Ain't that true? Ain't that true? Someone said, prepare for the rug pull. Maybe. Someone said that PW is definitely better than LGBT. People thought ICT is not an acronym for LGBT. Hey, ICT is not an acronym for LGBT, okay? Oh, man. Crazy move here overnight. Honestly, I was thinking we were going to wake up and the market was going to be gapping down, but obviously London market pumping here. So let's see what happens at the U.S. Open. New York Stock Exchange, you get 9:30. So we'll see what happens. Now, if you think about it, we obviously have a big old gap to the downside. You got about a 500-point gap. So this is yesterday's close. Market closed yesterday at 27,345. So that's a big old gap, right? If you look at the daily chart, you've got no wick on the bottom of this candle right now. A big pushback up here overnight. So no wick on the bottom. What does that mean? What does that mean here? Somebody said in the chat, Patrick, how did you know that the market was going down last night when it was in an uptrend? I have been struggling to find spots where we might reverse. I mean, I think if I look at it, you can kind of see we took some bear flags last night. We're trading live on YouTube. We got a couple bear flags here. We had the VWAP we broke down through. We had another, we had a couple bear flags on this pullback. The reason that I liked the shorts last night there was we rolled over, we pushed up, into that kind of breakdown level there and just kind of started following the trend there. So I'm trying to do some analysis, chat. Okay, let me do my analysis. I'm trying to do some analysis. Okay, I'm doing analysis. Can you show indicators that you have enabled on this chart? Yep, pivot points, EMAs, and then VWAP. And then obviously ICT concepts. ICT concepts teach me everything I need to know. Look at that. Guys, everybody, it's so simple if you just use the ICT. Look. Right, there's a fair value gap. Market's got to pull back into the fair value gap before going higher. Guaranteed. All right, it's guaranteed. So there you go. No reason to even do anything, chat. Just wait for it to pull back to the fair value gap at the 27,640. Go all in long and then close your fucking eyes. Just close your fucking eyes. Someone said, don't forget Tory trend lines. Man, I didn't want to bring this up again, but what's going on? What's going on, chat? What are we doing now? What is this? What are we doing? What are we doing, chat? Hey, I'm all for using your, using your assets, but what are we doing here? What do we do? What is this? What are we doing here? Look, what? Now we're teaching how to day trade in front of a pool? Like, come on. Come on. Like, what is this? Like I said last night, man, we gotta stop this kind of behavior, right? And I'm not trying to be a hater. I ain't trying to be a hater, but we gotta stop this kind of behavior. Right, we got to make this wrong. We got to call this shit out. Ugly bitches trying to get simps. Right? If you ain't hot, just keep yourself to yourself. We don't need it. The internet does not need more ugly bitches, in bikinis trying to sell us something. Uh-oh, here we go. Jerome Bridge, give him a second. He says, can I say something without everyone getting mad? Oh, fuck. What's he gonna say? Come on, say something, sir. This is gonna get awkward. What if he says something really, what if I have to, turn the stream off? Jerome Bridge, come on, say it. Why has he not said it? That's all? That's all he said? Man, he's typing. All right, we'll give him a minute. Right now, the Nasdaq pushing straight up here into open. So let's see what happens. Patrick, the ES on a daily chart didn't break as Nasdaq did yesterday. Didn't break what? Patrick, did you see TBM hired an Asian lady to trade on his channel? I saw that. TBM was like, he was like, I need somebody to trade the Asia session. Who would be really good at trading Asia? He thought about it. He was like, where can I find somebody to trade Asia at? Is there anybody out there that could trade the Asia session? Then he went and got some Asian woman. I do like it. Good job to TBM, man. He's on something. He's getting a lot of views over there. I think they get like 100 views, you know. I mean, hey, let them do what they're doing, man. They're doing it, whatever they're doing over. That's cool. It's cool. Total respect for that. Can you do analysis on the Nasdaq? I mean, we did the analysis. I think we got to pull back. I mean, if I want to get long, I like to get a pullback. But you know how that goes sometimes. Sometimes the Nasdaq doesn't do what you want to do. So, you know, maybe we get a fake out to the upside, we squeeze up, and then we crash back down. I would, either way, it's kind of like I'd like to see a pullback here, right? That would be kind of the ideal thing to do. The problem is, like I said, it's not always ideal. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. So we're doing it live either way. So if you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, what do you think is going to happen, chat? Up or down at open? Up or down at open? Let's do a poll. People love the polls. Up or down at open? Call out some levels too. Let's see some levels in the chat. What levels do you got? Who's got what levels? What levels? What levels? What levels? Man, whenever you read ICT comments, it's almost guaranteed that it's going to be from somebody who's very, very, very smart. Like this guy right here, he says that it's completely BS to be messing with someone who actually made so many people profitable. ICT works and people are printing. He's getting old. He got that proud of himself. What's wrong with that? I wonder where this person lives at. Let's find out. Is it maybe India? Okay, enough said. Thank you very much. Come again. Thank you very much. There we go. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's never anybody in it's never anybody in a real world that actually believes in ICT. So you gotta love it. Right now, Nasdaq pushing back up here. We got the poll in the chat. What do you got? We got 50-50. 50-50 poll. God damn, chat. Why don't y'all be some pussies? Y'all chat's being a real big pussy right now. Y'all don't want to commit. Nobody wants to commit. Look at that. 50-50. 50-50. How am I going to fade 50-50? Bro, you're low-key discriminating. I'm not discriminating nothing. I'm just pointing out that some guy just wrote some really stupid shit on the internet and he's from India. Is that discrimination? Did I just point out a fact? Exactly. This is the real world. We live in the real world here at the BDH. This ain't no participation award. Everybody gets the same treatment. You post something fucking stupid, you're gonna get called out. It's that simple. It's that simple. Welcome to the real fucking world, my friends. Right now, it's 53% up, 47% down. So I think we fade the up. I'm just kidding, maybe. I mean, I love the whole, like, fuck the discrimination thing. Like, let's do it, baby. I'm all for it. Let's call out the fucking retards of the planet, right? I can't help it that the guy commented some stupid shit and he's from India. I didn't make that happen. I didn't force him to, I wasn't like, hey, go write something really fucking stupid so then I can see if you're from India or not. Like, so don't act like it's my fault, Patrick. It's not nice to point out a fact. It's not nice to point out a fact that the guy from India just wrote a really stupid fucking comment. You know? I'm sorry. I'm a racist because I pointed out a fucking fact here. Right now, the Nasdaq's still squeezing straight up here, so we'll see what happens at open. I mean, I had no idea where that guy was from. Right? I just read his comment and then I wanted to see where he's from. I'm sorry, you know? I'm sorry. All right. We got 30 seconds here. I'm gonna be patient. If this thing goes straight up, I'm just gonna let it go straight up. I'm not in a rush here. Maybe. I mean, I don't know. Let's be patient. Let's be patient here. I don't want to rush into it, but maybe we do. We'll see. We got 20 seconds here. I think it's. Yeah, I don't know. It's gone straight up, right? It's gone absolutely straight up here. So. Let's see what happens as the market opens up here in about 5 seconds. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out. It's the biggest, the largest. The love is real. The love is real. All right, market is open. Market is open here. Straight up for now. The problem is, like, trying to get short here, you get in trouble, right? If this thing goes up another 100 points, where's your stop loss at? So, I mean, I think it's just you gotta wait. We gotta wait. Nvidia's pulling back. Everything's pulling back now. God damn it. Depending on how this candle closes, maybe you try a short, but just gotta be patient for a second. PW, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? How's it going? Right now, just kind of holding there. So, like I said, it's just kind of a tricky spot. This is the 2-minute chart we're looking at right now. So maybe we get a 2-minute range break. Look at that little 2-minute range break. 27,900 still holding for now. Kind of pulled back into this. I mean, I would like to believe that there's a pullback coming after all that momentum to the upside here during London. Just kind of some profit taking for the U.S. markets here, but trying to wait. Just kind of stuck there for now, right? Kind of stuck there for now. All right, we're inside the 2-minute range here. Couldn't get above the highs. Pulling back again. Like, I'm tempted to short, but I mean, that's a 50-point fucking stop loss. Right? Like, fuck. It's a 50-point stop loss there. I don't really know if I want to risk 50 points right now. Good morning, good morning. Market is open. See, like, there's that push again. I think there's a short setting up, but just holding there for now. Back to the bottom of that candle. Losing the 850s. We go to the 1 minute chart here. We got a better. Yeah, there it goes through 830s now. Can we get a little push back up quickly, and then I'll try a short here. I'm gonna try a short right there. I think it's gonna just at least give me 10 points. Oh, 10 points. Sorry. That was 10 points. So I'll take 10 points right here. I still want to see this. If basically I want to like break through some of this and then push back up and have some resistance there. So a little 10 pointer. Little 10 points. There it is. There it is. I probably could have taken it a little earlier right there at the 850s. That would have been even better, but oh, look at that. Wow. Squeezed right back up again. The chop is real here, boys. The chop is real. Fucking A. Do we hammer it short again here? Five-minute candle about to close here. 5-minute candle is kind of just holding up there at the 850s. Pushing through resistance. Is that the term that you use at the gay bar? Yes. Exactly. Yes. Someone said, why does the market suck so bad? I mean, you know, it's all in perspective. The same way that you think the market sucks right now, somebody else is very happy, right? So you got to think about that. When you're sad the market sucks, there's somebody else out there who's sitting there going, man, this is the best market ever, right? Like, it's kind of like, it's all in perspective, right? There's always, for every loser, there's a winner. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the shitty part. For every losing trader, there's a winning trader. Or maybe, well, maybe not exactly 1-to-1, but are we gonna squeeze out of this? Ugh. If we break above 880, I might try a long, but I feel like it might just clap me. So let's see. We're trying to break 880 there. Oh, never mind. That was the breakout. Get like a quick one here through the 900s there next. $91 up there to the 907s. That's 20 points. Well, that is 20 points now. So we'll take it. Little profits do add up. Another W. Hey, hey, hey. Another W. Yeah, it's just a tricky spot right here. I'd be careful. Right? There's just like a lot going on right here. We're at the top of this move overnight, right? It's like, it's one of those things. And look at it, right back down again. So the chop is real here. I'm still leaning towards the idea there's shorts, right? I'm still leaning towards those shorts, but we got to see if we can get some actual selling pressure to come in here. I'd say at this point, if we start to sell through like the EMA again and we lose this 860s, maybe we start to run off here. When do you decide to trim versus selling it all? I mean, in this type of market, I'm gonna sell it all. There's no point in trimming. All right, we're rolling over here now. I like that we kind of popped that 900 level, right? We popped the 900s. The Nvidia looks weak. I'm gonna try this short here, guys. See if we can't get a move down quickly for 25 points. Go for a little bit more. Give us some room here. Sell, 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 sell. Yeah, it's like yanking around here. Just yanking around now. It's just yanking right there. What's it gonna do? And stopped out for now. Yeah, just kind of yanked it right back up. Well, chop chop city here. I think there's plenty of momentum to come. We just got to be patient. Kind of just chopped it up there. That's what happens when you're a gambler, somebody said. I mean, hey man, I took a trade. It is what it is. Not really much I can do about it, to be honest. I appreciate your support, though, for watching the stream. Use that code PW. Thank you very much. Right back down again. Absolute chop fest here. And again, right back down. You gotta love it. We got to get a break of this range either way, so give it a second here. Market is going absolutely nowhere right now, so $900 to $850 stuck. Breaking to the upside there now. Squeezing up there. We got a pivot point coming up at 947s. Will they make it through there? Or just dump it right back down again? Just dump it back down. Straight up here, fucking A. Yep. There she goes, 980s, 28,000s now. Crazy move. Crazy, crazy. They're gonna go for that FOMC kind of area. What are we doing here? Maybe take out these highs at the 28,100 level, just squeeze back up there to squeeze the shorts. Maybe, I don't know. Can they squeeze it right through 28,000 now? There's 28,000 pushing. Shorts covering hard, yeah. Yeah. Looks like it. No good. No good. Still just straight up here, man. I'm looking for possible, like, if we get to, like, I don't know how high I guess if we take out these highs from yesterday, 28,100 area would be nice, but I want to see a little bit more push. I'm looking for a short here, but maybe we go straight up to those 80s next. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna short 2 right there, and I'm gonna put another 2 up here. All day squeeze? No, not all day squeeze, right? No way. You think it's gonna be an all-day squeeze? Gotta get some pullbacks, right? Gotta get some pullbacks here. Still squeezing. Nah. Just waiting for Trump to tweet something. Come on, Trump, tweet something. Tweet something, Trump. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of like, if we take out these highs up here, maybe that's our spot. $28,100, maybe. That's not a stop. That's a an add. I'm trying to add up here. Still pushing like a motherfucking crackhead. All right, I think this is this is where we probably push to. Maybe we get up there to the 80s and then we pull back some more. So let's see what happens. Straight up. She's going straight up. Insiders trading. Don't change the screen. Oh, I'm going to. I'm going to change it all I want. Look at that. 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 You can't even see what's going on. God. Oh my. There's the hundreds. That was just a straight up fucking boner. Straight up fucking boner candle. It's crazy work right now. We took out that high there, so I'm not sure what to do. I think, I mean, you would feel like this has to pull back here at some point, but hey, maybe not. Took out the FOMC highs. Ugh. SK Knight, don't you worry about me. It's not, the trade is not over. Everybody in the chat thinking I'm like, you've already lost. Huh, Patrick, well, you suck. I mean, you relax, boy. I'm not, it ain't over yet. The trade is not over. God. The trade is not over, man. I had a plan, right? I had a plan to get that pop above those highs, and here we are. So I want to go for at least like 100 points back down here now. We're going to be patient. Hey, at the end of the day, guys, it's just all we can do is put a trade on. I don't know exactly where the market's going to go. I didn't write the algorithm. You know, I'm not going to lie to you. I do have losing trades. It does happen. I'm sorry. But yeah. Obviously not the bounce we wanted, but giving some room here. Right back up. Try to add right there again. Trying to stay below this previous like day high now would be great. We're trading the Nasdaq. What do you mean, what are we trading? We're trading NQ futures. The moment of truth. It's either going to roll over here or, well, we're going to keep going higher. So let's see what happens. Still going up. What's my stop loss? Probably like 150 area. I don't know. Maybe not. I'm going to go 10 right here, and I'm putting my stop right here. YOLO. Oh, it's going for my stop for sure. Yeah, just too much. It's too much momentum here. Fucking A. Crazy move here. I mean, hey, I don't know. Congratulations. You know, hey, sometimes don't fight the trend, clearly. I mean, just kind of is what it is sometimes. What is the opposite of a falling knife? Boner candle to the face. Boner candle to the face is the opposite. Freight train. It's both. I got a boner candle right to the fucking face, boys. Ten contracts short, yes. 10 contracts short. Do you not trade off higher time frames? No, I only trade the 15-second chart. I mean, we're getting stuck here, you know. The problem is, do we get one more pop out of it? So. Patrick, I think you're early. Yeah, I might be. You're not wrong. I might be early here. Let's see what happens at 10 o'clock. We got 2 minutes till 10 o'clock. Oh, la 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 la. Still squeezing. Fuck, man. We're just trading, guys. Like I said, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I mean, it's doesn't mean I'm a bad person. Doesn't mean, you know, I'm let's keep the negativity down, okay? Let's try to not be. Let's keep the negativity down, okay? I get it. Everybody in the chat wants to see me lose. I get that, but just let me lose without having to tell me I'm a fucking retard, okay? Can you just tell me? Can you just no, I have feelings too, okay? I have feelings too. Man. Everything hurts right now. Everything hurts right now. Dude, everything's going straight up. Everything's going absolutely straight up right now. Crazy work. Crazy work. This is what happens when you're a bear. See, this is what happens when you become a gay bear. Right? I became a gay bear this morning, and now I'm paying the price. I'm paying the fucking fuck. Someone said, dope to see. Keep up the good work. Oh man, thank you for that. Hey, thanks for making me laugh. That was pretty good. Thank you for that. That was pretty funny, honestly. Hey man, if you can't laugh, you know, what are you even doing, you know? What are you even doing? If you can't laugh about it. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny. I think that's funny. I mean, the problem is, like, would you go long here? Right? Like, that's the question you got to ask yourself. Would you go long up here? I mean, I wouldn't. But, I mean, that don't mean I'm right. You know, I don't fucking know. Fucking A. You are shorting without a single confirmation. That's the problem. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We broke over the high. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. Like I said, I didn't write the fucking algorithm. I don't know. Maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down. I don't fucking know. So, I don't know, man. Need some different music for this. Some different music. If you guys have not already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, guys. If you hit the like button, it helps me. I'm gonna need as many likes as possible today because when I blow up my accounts here, I'm gonna need some help. Can you please help me? Can you please help me? Please. Please help me. Please help me. Can you please help me? Somebody please help me. Fuck. Every. I want a minimum of 100 points down would be my target here. A minimum. Maybe even more. Maybe go for 200 points here. I don't know. If you guys have not already hit that like button, help me out. We got 4,600 people watching. Can we get this trade to pull back? 100 points for the chat. I want 100 points for the chat here. The music will stay until we finish this trade. Ugh. No, I will not take profit early, guys. It's either ride or die here. We're going for a big trade or no trade. Is what it is. It is what it is, to be honest. Patrick, are you losing viewers? We got 4,600 right now, so it seems like we're doing pretty good. More views than anyone else on YouTube right now. Do-do-do-do. Please keep spamming the chat. The more comments in the chat, the more money I make. So please, every comment helps. So please comment more. I need more comments, please. Please comment more. I need more comments. More comments. More money. More money. Blue line of support down there. You gotta love it. What is the logic on the short? I mean, the logic was that we took out the previous day high FOMC day and we were going to pull back. I mean, I don't know which way, I have no idea if the market's going to go up or down. I'm trading what I see. I apologize for anybody in the chat that is upset because I got short. I'm sorry. Please don't be mad at me. Please don't tell ICT. Okay, I'm sorry, right? I'm going to try to be better. But I'm just a guy on the internet trying to make a little bit of money, right? I apologize to everybody in the chat for all the wrongdoing that I've done to you. I'm sorry. If you could please just refrain from being mean to me because it's not nice, right? I'm losing money right now, and if you guys could just help me, hit that like button, use the code PW. I need a little extra money. Let's see what the leaderboard looks like. The tournament leaderboard right now, we got this tournament leaderboard. I don't know. Is that good or bad, you think? Vero is probably long right now, knowing his strategy, so. It is day 4 of the Legends tournament. PW sitting with $9,000 profit. Dero Trades has 3. The Dero Trades, he's the guy that beat all the other influencers during the BDH influencer battle. So if I beat him, that basically means that I beat all of the influencers in the tournament, right? So we'll see what happens. All right, so the Nasdaq pushed up here above these highs for now, just kind of hanging out here, to be honest. Like, the problem is, like I said earlier, would I go long up here? I would think I wouldn't go long, but I mean, it doesn't mean much, really, obviously. So I don't know. Like, we've had no pullback. It's hard to believe that we're not going to pull back. If we don't pull back and we go higher, that, hey, it happens, right? Like, it does happen like that sometimes. Right now, like, obviously, it's happening. So, kind of building out a bull flag here on the 15-minute chart, to be honest. So, we have not been able to pull back at all. We got a huge 15-minute range. Still going up, so yeah. Acer Games just said, how's your Legends account? Tournament account. I'm up 9,000. That's how the literally day 4, I'm up 9,000. Dero's down 8,000. So that's how my Legends account is going. I just talked about this. I literally just talked about this. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, was it a good trade? Probably not. Did I think that we would pull back? You know, again, probably should have just taken it off when we got down here, but kind of is what it is. I don't really, you know. It kind of is what it is. So, my apologies. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chat. You know, I thought I could be smart today. I thought I could be smarter than the market. You know, and that's the problem here. Is I got a little too. I thought I could be smarter than the market. We've had nothing but pump. You know. So, yeah. How's my Ethereum trade going? I don't know. How's it going? Let me look. Currently, my Ethereum trade, we're up 6,000. So, currently up 6,000. Nasdaq just pumping. This is not obviously looking good for the shorts. Again, like I said, I can't. I don't know. It doesn't really bother me. If we lose, we lose. So. We're still in the short here. Still in it. You can add 2 more. I don't know if I can even add 2 more. No, I'm maxed out. I got no more margin left. Looks like it's going after my stop. Yeah, if I just keep moving my stop higher, it can't touch it, right? See? You don't lose if you never sell, or you never buy, or vice versa. You can't lose if you never sell. You can't lose if you never sell. Or wait, hold on a second. If I sold already, what does that mean? I can't lose if I never buy. See? Honestly, this is impressive. Like, this is truly impressive right now. I'm impressed. Like, because I know for a fact that if I would have gotten long up here, it would have dumped 100 points. So that's fine, right? Like, I'm okay with that. I can live with that feeling and knowing that feeling. It's okay. It's okay. I was just trying to pick the top, man, so I can get a cool photo for my Instagram. Didn't work, clearly. Oh yeah, sorry, I'll ban the ICT guy. Sorry about that, chat. I gotta ban. Here, you know what I can do is I can put slow mode on. I'll put slow mode on so they can't comment as fast. Makes it a little easier. How do I turn the slow mode on? Where is the slow mode? Can't figure out where the slow mode is. Edit. Customization. Oh yeah, here we go. Slow mode. Yeah, we're about to lose this, so we got about $5,000. If we pop 28,200, it's over, so. Crazy work. Wow. I mean, hey, like I said, I'm impressed. Hey, I took the trade. I wanted a big winner, and as you can see, we're about to get a big loser. So, kind of is what it is. And we're out. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Luckily for me, it was just one eval, so we'll be okay. We'll be okay. I made money last night in my Tradeify accounts and locked those out, so don't you worry, chat. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Should we trade I think we should trade this Legends account. Well, because I already had, remember the other day when I had that big, massive, I'm going to try another short here. This thing's going to pull back at some point. I mean, we just popped, now we're back above that Monday, like, close, so. So basically, this account, I had this account from the other day. For everybody who's wondering, this is an eval, right? So we'll say like, well, this week. No, can't do it. Now it's blown that it can't do it. But I made a bunch of money in that eval the other day, so I was just keeping the views going, baby. Look at that. Now it's gonna, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna dump city here now. It's gonna dump all the way back down here now. If we push up to the 260 area, I try another short there. You know what? Anyone could live stream trading like after seeing you. Like anyone could do it. I mean, if you, hey. I mean, I don't like. Why? Anybody can do this, Patrick. Anybody can do it. I mean, it's a free world. You could trade all you could do it if you want. Like it's okay. You know, like you can literally, you can if you want. It doesn't bother me. Like it's all good, man. You can do it if you like. For the people that are saying that I had some kind of fake account or something, you can see literally day one of trading that eval, I made 30,000. All right, so just so everybody sees, there's nothing like I don't have special privileges or anything like that. I made $30,000 on July 28th in that account. All right, so again, like Take Profit Trader does not give me free, you know, like fucking special accounts. As you can see, I made $30,000. So just so you see, okay. We blew one account. We had a $30,000. I didn't even want to. I would have to make $62,000 to be able to pass that eval. No, because the consistency rule. Why make Captain Jim? I didn't mean to. I made 30,000. I forgot that I had a trade open. Guys, like I showed you the trade. It's like it didn't work out, you know. Like I don't know why everybody's so mad. Like your guru, the other live streamers, they just don't show you when they lose. They're losing, but they're just not showing. You know. Literally, the other streamers are just not showing you when they lose. At least I'm showing you, you know, like. At least I'm showing you. All right, so as you can see, Nasdaq continuing to push. Impressive. I mean, I'm honestly like, hey, like, it's impressive, to be honest. You know. I'm impressed. It's impressive, to be honest. Like it's honestly impressive. So. I mean, for anybody that followed me on that short, I mean, that's on you. I mean, we're all adults here. What, you know, like everybody is an adult. I mean, like, or I think they are. I mean, if you got short and you followed me, that's not like, you know, that's not what I told you to do. So. Pulling back here again. I think I want a short, but I don't want a short. I'm gonna try to short. Stops at the highs here. Let's see. Can we get some pullback here? The people in the chat said he makes money on you blowing your account. I mean, what about the days when I don't lose? Wow. Nobody, you know, what about the days when we go 100%, when we don't have one losing trade? Am I a bad person that day? Like, I don't know. Fucking A, just right back up again. VWAP is all the way down at 27,800 right now, so. Just fucking chopping here. 240s again. I'm out. God damn it. La 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 la. If we go short right now, what's gonna happen? It's gonna dump, right? Right? Don't you think? If we go long right now, I mean. Still pumping. 237s now. I mean, maybe we're going fucking up there to push up into that. I don't know. Painful. It's really what it is. Nvidia's finally pulling back. The whole market just going straight up, and then just keeps grinding those shorts out. It's getting tighter, that's for sure. But the question is, do we another leg up here? Yeah, D-Money's streaming at 12 o'clock, guys. He streams every day at 12 o'clock. Got another, is this another bull flag before going higher, or are we going to start dumping? This 5-minute candle should be interesting. Going into the 11 o'clock candle, we'll see what happens. If they continue to squeeze, but... Might be another big boner candle coming. See if they break through that 240 level. Go up there towards the 300s next. Just relentless right now. Relentless. Oh, my Lord. Starting to roll over again. We got to get through this. We got to get back down below this 200 level if these shorts want to win the game. Pulling back here now from the 200s, finally getting some pullback, but I think we could start selling pretty quickly here if it does start to just give up. Everybody's gonna like get stopped out here. If you're long from the fucking lows down there, are you really gonna hold through another pullback here, or are you gonna take profit? 160s now. You got that 28,100 level there next. Nvidia pulling back. ES is pulling back. We're going into this last 15 minutes of this hourly candle here. This would be the blow off area, right? Blow it off. trying to move down. That 160 area right now holding up, but we get through that, I think 100 next. Got some buyers coming in there at 160 holding it for now. This is that previous resistance level. Nvidia is selling back down there 195. So Nvidia from the highs 197 and back down here 195 now. So Nvidia starting to sell. Nasdaq should start dumping here. Got 3 minutes left on that 5-minute candle, going into that last 10 minutes of the hourly candle. Wonder if they'll kind of like build out a bit of a head and shoulders here, maybe, before going back down, or we'll see. 30-minute chart pulling back to the top of the 30-minute range at open there. There it goes. Through the 150s, 130s now. Be interesting to see what happens after 11 o'clock here. Interesting to see, at least. All right, 1050 coming up here. So basically the idea here is the hourly candle, right? You've got 10 minutes left here. We took out this like high, kind of blow off top, and that was like ding, 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 all this resistance up here. So that was kind of like my idea for the short. It obviously went a lot higher than I wanted it to, but obviously now, like, you're thinking maybe in this last 10 minutes we get the you know, more selling pressure to come in there, but let's see. This is, like I said, it would kind of be head and shoulders, right? Where maybe we do one of those. We do, like, even if we push back up here, as long as we're below that high, it's still not bullish. So it's still not bullish until it's bullish. I mean, I guess, you know, hey, it's bullish like on the, if you look at, I don't know, like if you look at any time frame here, you're like, where would you want to get long at? You know. Obviously, getting long at open was the play, but if you get long up here, like, is that the play? You know, I don't think so. But again, you know, what do I know? Not a lot. Not a lot. I'm just a guy on the internet, man, trying to make a little bit of money. Please bring D Money for the morning show. Well, D Money's in Florida. I'm in California, so it would be very hard to bring him to the morning show. Just saying. Is this it would be so funny if this just starts crashing down here after that whole fucking debacle. God damn it. Look at it. From the highs now, 240s down there to the 120s, guys. What in the world? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. That's the problem with shorting sometimes. It's just, you never know. You never know where the top is on those kind of moves. Like, I think it was pretty clear to see that we needed a pullback. Is just the problem of how high do we go before pulling back, right? I mean, $1 million question, right? And clearly we found out today. It would kind of make sense. Maybe they want to close this candles, you know, down here. You got 7 minutes on that 15-minute chart now. Try to get down there through the 100. Look at this. Oh. The funniest part is I got stopped out at literally the top of that move up. The fucking exact top of this move. You gotta love it sometimes. Don't you love it? You do just have to love it sometimes. I could not have timed that any better. Could not have timed that any better. I could not have timed it any better. No, 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 no. All right, well, there we go. The pullback is real. Fucking A. God, look at this dump right now. Crazy work. Crazy work on this dump right now. Well, I mean, hey, at least we didn't get long at the top, right? At least. At least. So. That was down there to the 60s. Whatever. Whatever. All right, so like we said, we lost the 150 area, now down there into the 70s. You got the opening range high maybe to get to next. See if we get you'd want like a little pushback up here on this last 5-minute candle, unless it just keeps going straight down, which sometimes it just goes straight down, to be honest. But this is pretty much that head and shoulders type play. Let's see if they're going to get a little pushback up. Still going lower, 50s now. What's up, race car man? I wish I could have held that short a little longer, you know? If I could have just had a little bit more wiggle room. It's crazy because we literally got stopped out right at the top of that move. A lot of selling pressure here now. Fuck, man. It's crazy to think, right? Because you're like, fuck. There it goes. That's from the 240s now. That's 200 points back down if you would have shorted up there at the top. So everybody who said I was retarded for shorting again at the 240 area, I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know why I'm so retarded, will we? All right, we got 3 minutes here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. All right, so what I would like to see now is some kind of pushback up to build out some, build out a bear flag here. Like back up into here and then lower. So maybe 28,100 area to kind of push up into. Look at that. Look at this selling too. Just ding, 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 ding. Right into that 11 o'clock hour, like we said. So we were looking there at the hourly candle, right? Hourly candle has a big old blow off, and there you see it now down to that low. So you gotta love it. Yeah, you gotta love it sometimes. The Nasdaq pulling back here. ES pulled all the way back down to the VWAP. Nasdaq's VWAP is much lower now, so let's see what happens. Should kind of push back up here into the closure of this candle for that hourly candle, and then maybe start to roll over again. We'll see. When you pass an Apex eval, do you got to wait till the next day to make it funded? Yes, you got to wait till after market hours or market close or whatever you call it. All right, there's that push back up to the 80s again. That 5-minute candle's got a big wick on the bottom, but will they continue with the sell-off after this candle closes? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe not. Got a new hourly candle opening up here at 11 o'clock. So kind of looking for like a little pushback up to put a wick in. Right? Put a little wick in, and then maybe we go lower from there. All right, here we go. New candle opening now. Ideally, you'd want to see this candle basically go straight up and then come back down, right? If it goes straight down here, you got to be a little worried that maybe they're going to chop some more. See, like right now, it's going straight down there. The low from earlier on this candle is 25. So maybe they take that low down there and then chop it back up. Maybe. Taking that low there now. Straight, god damn it, man. This is a really, really, really good lesson. A really good, a good example today, right? Good example today for everybody in the chat. That even when you're right, you know, about the idea of a pullback, it doesn't mean that you make money on it because, well, as you can see. So it's not, I'm not sitting here saying I coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's just, this is a good example of you can be right about a pullback and still lose money, right? Like the timing for sure. So Monday Meatball said, good lesson not to gamble and watch the chart. I mean, I truly don't think that trade was a gamble. Personally, I don't think that. I think I had a plan. I think I had a setup. I had it all kind of laid out. The problem was it just had a bad entry. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I truly don't know. I don't think it was a gamble. I mean, we had pretty much everything there for a pullback. So, yeah, I mean, it was just too much size. You just don't think about the higher time frame. I mean, I do think about the higher time frame. I took a short into this previous area of resistance. So, I mean, I don't know. Someone said you were very wrong. Whatever. There's no point in me explaining myself to the fucking retards in the chat who think that ICT knows how to day trade. Yeah, no, that clearly. Oh my God, look at this pump right back up again. So like I said, that was what I was kind of worried about. We took out this hourly candle low and then look, they just pumped right back up. So that I wanted to see a push up before going lower, and looks like we might get it now. I mean, I would say my biggest problem this morning was sizing. You know, I probably shouldn't have went 15 contracts short. That's all it was. I mean, I love the people in the chat that don't make any money trying to tell me what I'm doing wrong. It's all good, man. It's all good. I was up 12,000 on it at one point, but I got greedy. I wanted more. Also, my ego, you know, I wanted to prove to the chat that I could get 100 points on that trade. That probably didn't help either. So. All right, well, Nasdaq straight up here again. Off of these lows from the 30s back up to the hundreds. You're pumping. When do I think it's gonna roll over again? I mean, well, we're kind of looking at that, like we were saying, right? Kind of that head and shoulders. So let's see if we push back up kind of into this level. If we could kind of push back up into this level and then get rejected and then roll over. You want to build out a bear flag here, right? So pretty much like pushing up into here, ding, 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 and then we go lower. Can we push to 200? Yeah, I mean, anything's possible. I think right now I'd be looking for just kind of a rejection up in here, but maybe we squeeze since we took out these lows, kind of an over-exaggerated pullback before going higher. I mean, it's obviously can also, sometimes they love to do that where they kind of break those lows and then kind of V out of it. So PW, hit that trade. Yeah. I mean, the crazy part is, like, if you look at, look at this fucking move overnight. Like, this morning, the market's opening up, and you're looking at this, and you're like, we're not gonna, you're thinking to yourself, like, at open, we're not gonna pull back at some point. I don't know. It's hard. Like, look at that. You're like, any person with any normal trader is gonna look at this setup at open and be like, wow, yeah, it's gonna pull back. Right? I mean, so, someone in the chat said, PW, you should focus next week on teaching your viewers good habits. The funny thing is, again, right? Like, how many times have we had days where we had 0 losers, 10 winners, and all that? You know, like, we made money at open, guys. We made money trading at open. So, I don't know, you know, so I like, what do you want from me? It's like, yeah, but you should do it better. It's like, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Like, last night we had 5 trades in a row that were green, live on YouTube. You know? Bro, catching 10-tick moves is not money. I mean, hey, I got the payouts. Where's your payouts, you know? Where's your payouts, bro? I don't know why everyone's always got something to say. Like, at the end of the day, I got the payouts, and it is what it is. There's nothing else to say. The proof is in the pudding. Right? Like, I had those Lucid Pro accounts, and we traded live on YouTube in July, and every day was green. And so, I mean, I don't know. You know, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Let's go. Kevin Fee made $21,000 today trading the TPT accounts. You gotta love it. Nice work to Kevin. I mean, like, last night we traded these accounts live on YouTube, right? Last night we traded them live. We made over $5,000. So, sometimes good, sometimes bad. You know, sometimes good, sometimes bad. I wish I never lost. Trust me, like, it would be awesome. I would love to trade and never have any losing trades because, well, that would be very nice, wouldn't it? The BDH trader goes, "You're the biggest and the largest. Stop talking to the chat. They don't even know what they're doing on this earth." That's true. That's true. Am I going to take another position? Yeah, I'm looking for another short setup, but right now we got wick. We got a couple wicks on this 5-minute chart, so I want to see a wick on top. If we can push maybe here and then get a wick. We haven't really had any wicks on top. Right? It's like wick, wick, wick. 3 wicks in a row. No real wicks on the top. I don't know. We're right there, to be honest, so. We're not far. Not far from it, man. Yeah, well, fuck. Look at this. Right back over again, so. I was thinking maybe Head and Shoulders playing out here. So, look at that. Right back down. Right back down there. I don't know what to do. What do I do, chat? Tell me what to do. Right, I got this tournament going on right now with Dero. I'm up $10,000 this week trading. He's down 8,000. I mean, do I even need to trade anymore? The tournament ends on Friday. You know, like, what do I do? Look at that dump right now. Look at this. Ah, oh, fucking A. Right back down again. Right back down again. Stop trading, the chat said. But I like it. I want to make more. Okay, I'm going to lock out for the day. I'm going to lock out of my account today. This is my competition account. I'm going to lock it out, and then tomorrow is the final day of the tournament. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it out. That way I can't trade it anymore. So... it is what it is. God. All right, so the Head and Shoulders is playing out beautifully right now. Look at this move. Look at this move right now. Oh my God. Who would have thought? Who would have fucking thought? What a move. Straight down. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Straight down. I wish I could have just held that short all day, honestly. Like, that would have... I think that short all day would have absolutely printed. Just an all-day hold on the shorts, you know? Like, I think it would have printed. Honestly, I think it would have. I think it would have been a motherfucking print. Motherfucking print, you know what I mean? Like, it could have been a real print. All right, so we had the bear flag kind of break out. I'm looking to see if we get a little bit of pushback up to test this EMA again there at the 60s, and I'm gonna try to short here again, but I think 28,000 is gonna get taken out. 28,000 get taken out there next. So let's see if we get a little bit of a pushback up towards that 50 level, 50-60 area for another short setup here. All right, I had a little bit of a wick there, so I'm gonna try it. And then looking for a breakthrough this 28,000 level. Obviously not financial advice, chat, okay? I don't know what I'm doing, so don't even be like, Patrick, see, I told you. Don't even do it. Don't even do it. Don't even do it. Don't you even try to do it. Let's waterfall through 28,000. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me that 28,000 break. That was 25 points, by the way. Okay, there it is. But I'm going for more. Because some guy earlier said that 10 points is not enough to call myself a day trader. So we're going to go for at least 30 points. Oh, God. Pop back up. Fuck. See, this is what happens. Thank you to the guy in the chat that said it did 10 points. Don't fuck. God motherfucking damn it. I gotta go pee. I gotta go pee. You pee, Elena? Oh my God. Not again. Not again, chat. Not again. Not again. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. What is the confirmation for a short? I mean, you know, we went up, we went down again, we went up again, we went down again. So that was my confirmation. Okay, that was my fucking confirmation! I can't live like this anymore! Oh, come, just drop. Just drop it like it's hot, Nasdaq. PW, you're insane, but I love your energy! Make this fucking market go down. God damn it. I can't work. I cannot work in these conditions. I cannot live like this anymore. I can't do it. I can't fucking do it anymore. I can't fucking do it, man. God. 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 Good thing I'm a fucking millionaire, because if I wasn't a millionaire, I would fucking, I'd fucking be pissed off at the world. Someone in the chat said, LOL, I came here to tell you, never talk disrespectfully about ICT. Most of his students are eating very well. Are you from Africa? Or Borto? Can I just ask you one question? Are you from Africa? I'm interested. Are you from fucking Africa? Please tell me you're not from India or Africa. Please. Please, please tell me that. You're from India or Africa? Which one? Which one you from? No, I'm not from Africa, but where are you from? India? Are you from India or Africa? Which one is it? I'm from Ontario. Well, fucking A. I should have known. Fucking Canadian. Them fucking Canadians are the dumbest of them all. You gotta love it. I'm just kidding. Those fucking uneducated Canadians up there, they just go like, "Eh? Eh? Hey Patrick, you want some maple syrup on your eh?" Nasdaq pumping back up here. The chop is real. The fucking chop is real. The chop is real. Fucking uneducated Canadians. God damn it. How we got so many uneducated Canadians in the chat? He's Indian Canadian. Well, that might explain something. No, I'm just kidding. I love Canada. All right, Nasdaq chopping back up here. Just chopping back up. This is what happens, right? You just get chopped up here. I thought that last 5-minute candle looks so good to go down, and then here we are, just chopped right back up. So some guy said, "I live in Norway. I'm very economically trapped right now. Do you think that prop trading can save me if I master it?" No. You can't. Don't. Seriously. Seriously. I'm telling you right now, just don't do it. Turn your computer off. Run away. Do not buy a course. Do not buy prop firm accounts. If you're economically trapped, do not trade. Guys, I'm serious. Like, I'm not even fucking around right now. Like, please. If you're financially struggling, trading is not the answer. Right? Get a job, go to work. Like, trading is not a way to get rich if you're poor. Right? Trading is a great way to get more poor if you're already poor. Like, that's a fact. I'm telling you the truth because I want to help you. I'm not gonna talk shit to you. I'm telling you the truth. Please. Don't try to be a day trader if you are economically trapped. All right? Please, please, please don't do it. All right? It's not an answer. Like, this is not a way to save yourself. This is not a way to pay your bills. Like, don't do it, please. I'm trying to help you. I'm not even fucking with you. Like, I'm being like 100% honest with you. Right? Like, this is the most real that I can be with anybody right now. And I'm telling you, if you're financially struggling, if you don't have money to pay your rent, whatever it is, like, trading is not the answer. Right? Trading is cool. It's awesome. You see all these people on the internet making all this money, but like, it's not real. It's fugazi. Right? So please, please don't do it. All right? Don't do it. I mean, hey, it's not that I'm saying you can't make money trading, but the worst thing that you can do mentally is to be trapped, right? Like, if you're financially struggling and you got to pay your rent, whatever it is, you're trying to get food, trading is not the answer, man. It's truly not. Like, we don't trade to fucking pay our rent. We trade to make a little extra money so we can buy Pokemon cards. You know, like, that is the truth. I know nobody wants to hear it, but like, this whole thing, the whole trading guru thing, it's all bullshit, guys. I don't make any money trading. The ICT don't make no money. Nobody makes no money trading. This shit is all a scam. It's a true, I'm not even lying. Like, it's a scam. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yes, Pokemon. It's not gay. I like Pokemon, okay? Don't make fun of my Pokemon cards. Somebody said a Pokemon's gay. It's not gay, okay? I like Pokemon. I like the Pokemon. Oh, those motherfuckers sold out the Mega Goat. You fucking pussy motherfuckers. There's that dump we wanted, baby. Let's go. In honor of Pokemon, I'm gonna go spend $1,000 to go buy a Pokemon card. Okay, we just spent $1,000 to buy a Pokemon card. Okay, guys, $1,000. What are we gonna win? What are we gonna win? Let's see. Okay. I just spent $1,000 to buy this. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. What? Oh, Jap. Oh. Fucking PSA 10 would have been a lot better. That would have been a lot better, PSA 10. Let's see what it's worth. Oh, we just made money. I spent $1,000 and I made $1,100. Okay, making the money. You gotta love it. Oh my God, oh sorry, I was short. I forgot I was short. Oh, it's Pokemon cards just got me. The goddamn Pokemon cards. I was up 60 points there. God, I was playing around Pokemon cards again. Let's see if I can take off some right here. Is that card real? Yeah, it's real. It'll come to my house. They'll ship it to my house next. Ask Ginger. She's got like, I get like 1 million Pokemon cards delivered per day. I'm pretty much like the king of Pokemon. Pretty much. Ginger, I need you to clean and polish all my Pokemon cards and organize all of them in alphabetical order. Okay, Ginger, I need alphabetical order. You have to figure out what is this? You got, look, it's in Japanese, so I need you to figure out what is it worth. Okay, what is it worth, Ginger? It's in Japanese. Figure it. The thing I like about Ginger is she's got to figure it out. You know what I mean? She'll figure it out. If I say, hey, Ginger, I need you to learn Japanese, she's like, okay, I'm gonna go Yokomoto Hakiyoto. You know, that's the thing I like about Ginger. She been gonna get it done. You know, I'll be like, Ginger, what's that say? It's Japanese. I need you to figure it out. The Japanese. Japanese. It's all about having good employees, having good people to work for you, chat. That's what I've learned here in life. Okay, I'll take off a little bit more right there, you motherfucking pussy. That's 50 points either way. It's all about the Ginger, that girl good. Hey. We're still working on the Ginger dating show. Ginger dating it's gonna be a thing, I think. Ginger date. It's a Ginger date. It's a Ginger date. All right, well, I've got to get ready to go. We're gonna go film some helicopter stuff. We're gonna go do some skydiving today. Zord's here. Zord's gonna be skydiving, so I think I'm just gonna lock this in. Call it a day here with you guys. Like I said, that short was looking really good for that pushback up. Just needed to kind of chop around there for a minute. Now it's moving down there, 28,000s again, so. Let's see what happens. Can you take me high? Lower. Can you take me lower? Guys, if you have not already hit that like button, subscribe. Holy shit, we got 1,300 likes. We got 1,300 likes on the stream right now. I do want to thank you guys. I want to thank you, right? I do, honestly. No bullshit. I want to thank you guys for all your support, tuning in here daily. I know I'm not always the nicest person around. I know, I know I could be better. But hey, we could all be better, right? Like, we could all be better at the end of the day. I'm trying. I'm just a crazy guy on the internet trying to make a little bit of money. My goal in life is to make as much money as possible so that way my son never has to work at McDonald's, right? Nothing wrong with working at McDonald's, but I would like for my son to not have to work at McDonald's or Chick-fil-A or Arby's or any fast food restaurant. So that's my goal. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I'm just trying to be a little bit better every day. A little bit better every day. All right. So right now the Nasdaq is, I gotta push back up here. Oh God. I'm trying to see what happened with Dero. He's probably got a trade open right now. He trades with like crazy, like he'll hold a trade for like fucking 6 hours. So we'll see if it updates later. But right now, Dero is down 8,000. PW is up $10,000. $10,000. $10,000. Foothill Futures said nothing wrong with an honest job. Yeah, nothing wrong with it, but I don't want my son to have to work an honest job. I don't want my son to work an honest job. I want him to be the king of the world, man, to go and have fun and live life and not have to worry about bullshit, bills and taxes and all that. So we're gonna get it done. DBT said you're not up 10,000. You lost 20K an hour ago. Damn, no, it was 30,000, sir. If you're gonna talk shit, make sure you have the numbers right. It was 30,000, not 10,000 or 20,000. Okay, so get it straight. All right, get it straight. If you're gonna talk shit, make sure you have the numbers right, because like I said, it was 30,000, not 10,000. All right, I need you to bump them numbers up. Landon needs to go wait tables. If he doesn't know the struggle, he won't succeed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to disagree with that. I don't know if he needs to go wait tables to figure out the struggle. I think we'll pass on that experience in life. So there it is. Little pushback up. Nasdaq just kind of chopping around here. We got D Money coming up in a minute. I'm gonna text D Money right now and see if he wants to go early, and he can start off a little earlier here. Let me see. He's probably. Let me see where D Money's at. I'm texting him right now, see if he's gonna be ready to go. If I sign off early here. Yeah, but if you hand him everything, he'll burn through it in a few years and be totally unprepared for what he has to find a job. See, that's the difference between me and other people, right? That's the big difference between me and the other people out there. I don't treat my son. I'm pretty hard on him, right? Like he understands the idea of winning, right? Like he doesn't get to live easy life. That's for sure. I put him through it. I mean, imagine me being your dad, One time we were fishing and he was catching a fish and he was throwing up. And I yelled at him. I said, hey, if you fucking get out of that chair and if you stop catching that fish right now, I told him, I said, you're never going fishing ever again, ever. And he's like, what? I said, listen, motherfucker, you ain't gonna, if you don't catch this fish right now, I will make sure that you never fish ever again in your entire life. And he looked at me and he was like puking. He's like, bleh. I'm like, don't, just keep going. Don't stop. And guess what? He never stopped. And that's life, my friends. That is fucking life. That is hugging life. So there it is. This fucking Nasdaq, it's gonna just chop around here. I gotta go jump out of a Zor's gonna jump out of a helicopter. I'm gonna watch him jump out of the helicopter. Pray for him. Hopefully the helicopter's high enough. He said the helicopter just needs to be 20 feet off the ground. I felt like that was a little low to be able to open your parachute 20 feet off the ground. But hey, He's the expert, not me. So we'll see what happens. We got a video coming up later of it and all that fun stuff. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I'm going to get out of here. I got to go. The helicopter's waiting for me. It's going to get hot here in the desert. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's Fresh Cash fucking Friday, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Tomorrow we'll together forever. We're gonna make money forever together. God, I just hate being so fake on this stream, man. It's the worst. Having to go on this stream every day and act like I'm happy to be here. God, these motherfuckers have no idea how miserable I am. My life is just one big miserable. Zord, I'm miserable. I'm miserable, Zord, having to fucking do this day trading live stream bullshit. Why would God motherfucking, what a scam. Day trading is such a goddamn, Zord, it's a scam, man. I don't know if I like doing this. It's a goddamn scam, but I don't know why anybody would motherfucking do. Oh my God. Did you dabble? Oh, yeah, you fucking, you're a crackhead. You're a crackhead. What? Oh, nice. You went $20 profit. Oh, hey, don't tell the chat. They're gonna call. They're gonna say that you don't know what you're doing. $20, man. Oh my God, it's fucking man. The what?
From minus 100, that's technically a 1.
I don't think that's how it works, sir. Your P&L low is not your P&L high. You start at 0 every day. But Zord said, hey, if I'm up 100, if I'm down 100 and then I go back to break even, I made 100. I like that math. That's a good math. It does make sense when you think about it. You know, a lot of people might try to discredit your math skills, but I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's pretty spot on. So, yeah, no, that's pretty spot on there. So, oh.